Friends, tomorrow we're going to talk about 3 types of motion. We're going to explore how objects move and how we can track the changes in their movements over time. I want you to take a look at these 3 different types of movement. Let's look at how these 3 objects move. Boys and girls, that showed an example of sliding. Like when you slide down a slide on the playground. I slide the notebook across the table. Can you think of another object that slides when it moves? Bring it with you tomorrow or write it down. So how is this object moving? That was an example of rolling. What other objects roll when they move? Bring that tomorrow or write it down. And our last example of motion, as you saw with the top, is spinning. What other objects spin when they move? You have a total of 3 objects to bring tomorrow, or 3 things that you should write down. If you can only find one object, maybe it rolls but it doesn't do the other motions, that's okay. Bring whatever object or objects you can find that show one or all 3 of these examples of motion. Bring it with you tomorrow, or the idea, write down the ideas and bring those tomorrow. You'll have a chance to look around the classroom for some objects so we can talk about these 3 different types of motion. What type of motion does Ninja most closely relate to? Sliding, rolling, or spinning?